Hello and welcome everybody. So today I thought I'll record my first video to capture how we can teach sounds and letters to kids. So okay, before we start, I'm not an accredited Jolly Phonics trainer, and basically I've learned it via an online Jolly Phonics course, and I'm just sharing it here to help other parents. In case if you really want to do Jolly Phonics, I would suggest that you get trained by an accredited trainer for it. Okay, so when we are teaching any sound to kids, okay, what we need to teach is the sound and activity associated with it, and we can introduce a letter that makes the sound, and we can then practice hearing the sound in words. Okay, so I'll get started with one story. Other point which I wanted to say, it is okay to edit the story as per our need, okay, or our audience or our kids. So I feel if that makes it more relatable, then do that. So today we are going to hear a story of a boy called Sam, and Sam loves going to park. So one day Sam went to park with his mother, and it was a bright sunny morning. So it was nice, and it was bright, and he went to the park where he saw a small snail, and while he was walking he also saw a small spider. The spider was crossing from one part of the path to another, and Sam loved watching spider. So what else was there in the park? There were beautiful flowers. So there were flowers all around, and then he saw a spotty dog. So he took the dog along, and then he found some sticks on the ground. So he threw a stick and waited for the dog to fetch it, and he did. And after that, when he threw the stick once again, he heard the sound, and he was very surprised. He saw left, he saw right, and he couldn't see anything, and there was big grass all around. And he again heard the sound, and he just looked around everywhere, and then he saw a snake. He saw a big snake, and the snake was making a sound. Can you say it along with me once? Yes. Do you know the sound is made by a very special letter? Here, this is letter S. Can you say hi to letter S? Hi S. Hi little S. And S makes a sound. So can you do it one more time? How does the snake say? What is the sound of letter S? Perfect. Okay, now let's look at some more things, and tell me, where do you hear the sounds? Can you see it here? Sun and spider and snail. Anything else we remember from our story? Spotty and sticks. And okay, now let's do one more thing. Okay, let's see whether the sound comes in the beginning or the end of the word. Now listen to me very carefully. Sun. So the sound comes in the beginning or end? Perfect, it comes in the beginning. Now let's say dogs. Does the sound comes in the beginning or the end? It comes in the end. Let's say snail. Does it come in the beginning or the end? Beginning. Let's say grass. So does it come in the beginning or the end? It comes in the end. So using the story and flashcards, we introduced, we introduced the sounds to kids. We told that the activity for this is this, and we also talked about where the sounds comes in the beginning or the end. So hope you found this useful. I will look forward to seeing you again. Bye. Take care.